for what? What we did?
A couple of essentials.
A couple of essentials for the water. Picking up a stomp pad, rash guard. Same here. Stokin.
This is our pre-Kauai.
Pre-Kauai. Pre-Kauai.
See you on the island.
Hey, watch his card decline.
Is that for the vlog?
Yeah.
Video. Oh, you're driving?
Huh?
You're down with it.
The dog.
Damn, those pants are fire.
I thrifted them yesterday.
Damn.
Right? They're so comfy. G-Pone? G-Pone?
What's going on? Alright, hold on.
Sensor? Right now it's 5 to 7. Fair to good at
Yeah, dude, it's actual.
What are we gonna do? You're just gonna spend the whole time paddling out?
Yeah, I don't want.
You!
Boys.
Shaka, bro.
Alright, boys. What should we do today?
Maybe a little Hawaii trip. You guys down?
Hawaii?
Yeah, you guys want to go?
I'm down.
Yeah. I mean, we may as well. You know, the swell's kind of coming in.
There's nothing to do, I guess.
Alright, let's get it.
Okay, let's do it then, I guess.
Damn. Transitioned.
And like you
Kinda.
normally you have to
Nick,
hike down more like a
it's your first time going to Hawaii out of all of us. What are your expectations? look at the smile on his face.
Should be really fun. Excited to surf with the boys, eat some good food.
Some good food.
See what happens.
That's a long
Okay.
thing. Yeah. It's nice. Hey, you guys, listen, when I drop you off, remember, there's no rush. You have plenty of time. Okay. Okay? And I got my Apple Watch. If it's crowded, just take your time, go through security, listen to what
Just a regular day.
Boys? With the boys? With the boys?
I gotta put this down.
We check in, we check in, we check in. Oh, the shorty? Hey, what's the pot?
No,
What's
we
the
got
pot?
bags filled with meth.
We got meth? We got meth in this house? Okay. We here at TSA. Did you forget to take out the weapons?
Shit, dude. To infinity and beyond.
What you doing, dog? What you be pulling out? Hold on, the Mac 10, Mac 10.
Something at Starbucks. What about you guys? Can we get like a little sandwich at Starbucks or something?
Yeah.
I'm down for that.
You're not down.
Real fast?
Hell yeah.
Quick take for the board.
Boss up! Boss up!
What do you like about it?
Has that soft underside, so it has a nicer grip to it.
What are we eating for lunch today?
Panda.
Panda Express. You got what in Atlanta?
Broads.
What is the meaning? What is the meaning of broads?
I would say it's kind of like a derogatory term towards females, maybe. What would be the definition of a broad?
See if we can find one.
Point. Please point.
A broad is just a nice, respectable young lady.
When you entering the plane, you lit?
Bro,
24 where it's at, no cap. 24, no cap. Kobe, rest in peace. I'm gonna get up. Just landed in Kauai. What are your thoughts?
Well, boys, we're stoked. Gotta get the rental car.
Right now?
Get to the hotel. Oh yeah, we're going straight there.
Straight there? Skating there?
Skating. I think we're gonna skate the mile. He said some people walk, so you can get a taxi or an Uber.
I'm down to skate.
All right, let's do it.
In case anyone was wondering, this is what a Hawaiian bathroom looks like. And what is this guy doing?
Come on, come
Can't you see
What a
that it's just
beautiful
rain?
day in Kauai, Hawaii.
There ain't no need to go outside. But baby, you hardly even know when I try to show. Song is meant to keep you doing what you're supposed to. Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep. Make you banana bang.
Quick shout out to Island Cars providing us the whip of the day. Tell us, hey, Gabe, tell us the specs on this baby.
Specs on this baby, so they already went through all the dents and the scratches or whatever, so we're not going to be liable for anything. We got a nice 2007, what the hell is this thing, Nissan Soul, something like that. Got plenty of, oh, nice little key mark. That was definitely from the locals right there.
Yes.
Nissan Quest, my bad. We got the rear end's not looking so good.
Wow, this baby's gone through a lot.
We can work on it.
We can work with it.
Good thing we didn't get this whole thing.
Oh, we're in. No, we don't have to do anything.
Wait, where are the keys?
The keys are under the mat.
Hey, say what's up to the vlog. Oh, dude, this kid can't skate.
Yeah, no, we're next talking about
Extremely nice. This place is extremely nice. First impression, on the way here, there was this cool little tree like overlook thing where we have to go. It was like a little tree tunnel. Pretty sick. What are we gonna be doing right now? Are we gonna go to Safeway
We're gonna
to
go
get
check in. We're gonna go
get some
go to
Zen?
Safeway. You know, get the necessities.
We only have one bed.
The first impression of the room. It's musty. It's like a closet. Oh, it is kind of musty in here.
Oh, dude, I can just.
Okay. We're getting robbed. Not that. Wait, don't.
I don't know if it's locked. That's enough.
Scope out the left.
Where?
Yeah, right here.
You want to sleep on this? Because I was saying I can sleep on that.
Yeah, you can sleep on that. I'll sleep on the roll.
No dings, no complications.
Here, I say we start to get like the situated so we can set it out real fast. So then we can just
Make it all nice and tidy.
nice and tight.
Nick, how's it going? Is the duct tape not coming off?
No, I'm just scraping it all off.
Nick, honestly, if you put like wax over it, I feel like you wouldn't even notice.
Well, I don't think the wax will stick to the duct tape.
Oh yeah.
Because it's not the residue, it's like there's a piece of tape that won't come off.
What? Nah. You think I got water? Try it, shake it.
Waking up too early, maybe we could sleep.
The oranges?
It is.
I'm excited for this.
I'm excited for this combo. The Tostitos and freaking I just don't think we can get something else.
We should get a pack of water. Pack of water.
Pack of water, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me get this on outside.
Go Gabe. Go Gabe. Go Gabe. Go Gabe.
Rain all day and I really
We'll see where this one
can't
is.
you see, can't you see?